Join me as I try out this new wide-angle 4K camera system for Zoom meetings and see if the AI auto-tracking can keep up with my every move. The modern workplace has transformed dramatically, and virtual meetings have become an essential part of our daily routines. To take our online interactions to the next level, I'm excited to introduce the wide-angle 4K camera system, featuring AI auto-tracking technology that's designed to revolutionize the way we connect remotely. We've all been there, stuck in a virtual meeting where the video quality is subpar, and it's a struggle to keep everyone in the frame. It's frustrating, to say the least, and can be a major distraction from the actual discussion at hand. Poor lighting, low-resolution cameras, and inadequate framing can make it difficult for participants to engage fully, leading to a lack of productivity and ineffective communication. In addition to these visual challenges, there's also the issue of participant engagement. When you're not physically present, it's easy to get lost in the conversation or feel disconnected from the group. This can lead to a sense of isolation, making it harder to build meaningful connections with your colleagues or clients. Virtual meetings require a certain level of technical sophistication to ensure a seamless experience. Unfortunately, many of us have experienced the frustration of dealing with poor internet connectivity, dropped calls, or software glitches that disrupt the flow of the meeting. The wide-angle 4K camera system is designed to address these common pain points, providing an immersive and engaging experience for all participants. With its ultra-wide-angle lens, this camera system captures the entire room, ensuring that everyone is visible and accounted for. The 4K resolution guarantees crisp, clear video that makes you feel like you're right there in the room. The real game changer, however, is the AI auto-tracking technology. This intelligent system tracks the speaker's movements, adjusting the camera angle and focus in real time to create a more dynamic and engaging experience. Whether you're presenting, leading a discussion, or simply participating, this feature ensures that you're always in the spotlight. Let's see the AI auto-tracking in action. I'll simulate a Zoom meeting, and we'll put this camera system to the test. As I move around the room, the camera will track my movements, adjusting the frame to keep me centered and in focus. Watch how seamlessly it follows me, even when I'm walking around or gesturing. As you can see, the AI auto-tracking feature is incredibly effective, creating a more immersive and engaging experience for all participants. The wide-angle lens and 4K resolution work together to provide a crystal-clear video feed that makes you feel like you're right there in the room. By using the wide-angle 4K camera system for your Zoom meetings, you can elevate the remote communication experience, fostering more effective collaboration and engagement. With its cutting-edge technology and innovative design, this camera system is poised to revolutionize the way we connect and interact online. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experiences with video meetings that you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. And if you're interested in more tech reviews and product demos, be sure to check out my other videos.